Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will review Japanese banknotes from the World War II era. Bit history about these banknotes. Hitler and Mussolini were the most famous historical figures of the 20th century. Their Japanese counterpart was General Hideki Tojo. Tojo was the Minister of War and the Prime Minister of Japan at the time. Tojo initiated the surprise attack on the Pearl Harbor. After Japan surrendered, Tojo was sentenced to death. He was hanged on December 23rd, 1948. These banknotes are from Tojo era. Let's check these banknotes. This is Japanese 5 pesos, front side. You can see at the top Japanese government. There is no number, only series is here. You can see PC at the bottom. There is no watermark on this note. Paper quality is not that good. Let's check the reverse side of 5 pesos. This is the reverse side. Let's check the next banknote. This is 10 rupees. The Japanese government series is BA on the left and right. There is no watermark. Paper quality is not so good. And there is no serial number here. Let's check the reverse side of Japanese 10 rupees. This is the reverse side. Let's check the next banknote in this series. This is $10. The Japanese government promised to pay the bearer on demand $10. MN. Now there is no serial number, only series is here. Something is written in Japanese here at the bottom. Paper quality of this bill is better than 5 and 10, these ones. Let's check the reverse side of this bill. This is the reverse side. No watermark on this bill as well. These are not that rare bill, but these are collectible bills, and you can find these bills in circulated condition somewhere from $10 to $15. This bill is in good condition. Now it's hard to find these bills in UNC condition. UNC condition will be a little bit expensive, and if these bills are certified, then these bills will be somewhere from $50 to $60. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.